Hi everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. My name is Rosina. I'm an Avon representative. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you haven't done so already, be sure to go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and while you're there, don't forget to like. Now, today we're going to unbox my campaign 1 order. So, if you're curious to see what my customers are ordering, well, stick around. You ready for this? All right, let's do it. Let's crack this baby open. All right, so this was my campaign 1 order, which was recently. A couple of different things in there. It's mostly fashion, actually, and some other essential products from what I remember when I had ordered it for my customers. So just bear with me as I open this box right here in front of you. This way you can see it. Okay, all right, let's see. What do we want to dig into first? All right, let's see. All right, well, this happens to be on top, so let's look at what this is. These are tall riding boots, okay? These are a size 7. These are really, really nice. They really have a small heel to it, like maybe like 1 inch or so. Here we go. So I'm just going to show these products to you real quick, and then there will be another video, a fashion video, where I'll be opening these individually so you can see them in person. And also, as I'm opening all these products, don't forget the links to each and every product will be down below. So be sure to take a look at that if you're interested in any of these products, okay? So tall riding boot, okay? Here's the first item, all right? The next item is, this is a drawstring hooded top. Oh my God, it feels so soft already and I haven't even opened it. This is a blue color. Okay, here's the next item. Let's take a look. All right. Wow, pretty cool. All right, so this is, it's disposable face mask. It's 7 masks in a packet by the Avon Defense Collection. Okay, here we go. All right, another mask, white cloth mask. For those of you who like to have a cloth mask and like to wash their masks, this is a really good way to go. Let's take another fashion item. So this is it's an Avon unisex zip-up hoodie. It's in red, okay? That's pretty cool. Here we go. All right, let's take a look at what this is here. This is a scarf neck top. It's a really pretty color. Let's see, what else? Defense mouthwash. Avon has mouthwash, guys. No joke. I'll give you a quick little sneak peek and I'll talk about it in another video. So be sure to stay tuned. All right, here we go. All right, Skin So Soft items. Oh, these are also popular with my customers. Of course, they're 3 different scents. They're hand creams, great for any time of the year, really, for anyone to use it. Let's take a look. What else do we have? Avon Defense Nitrile gloves. They're 30 gloves in a box. Check this out. Okay, pretty cool. All right. So all these product links will be down below, so be sure if you see anything you like here, just go down below in the comment section and check it out. Saline nasal spray. There you go, look at that. A lot of these products, I know people tend to be surprised that Avon carries it, and they do. So remember, Avon has lots more than just fashion and beauty and things like that. So here we go. What is this? This is a striped tie sleeve top. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Very, very cool. All right. Really nice colors. I love the colors. I really do. Let's take a look. Oh, another box of gloves. Here we go. All right. Here's another box. So I think it was a buy one, get one free deal for the gloves. I'm not sure if the deal is going on now still, but if you click on the link that I will provide to you, you can just go ahead and check it out, see what the most recent deal is, okay? So always be on the lookout for the deals because you never know what you're gonna get for free. So this is an Avon True Color Eyeshadow Quad, okay? Let's take a look. It's purple pop, so I guess it's just purple based colors, okay? Again, I'll open these products later again. All right, later on in other videos. This is a double zipper top. Okay, pretty cool. It's like gray and has zips all over it, you know, and zippers all over it. It's pretty cool. Let's see. All right, so this is also another popular item. This is a fresh and smooth for sensitive skin. It's facial hair remover cream. One of these days I like to try it myself. I had a customer order it, so I wanted to just here, you could take a look at it. All right, show you guys. All right, let's see. Ooh, this is really exciting. I personally can't wait to try this. This is actually for me. As a representative, I get to order some demo products ahead of time. And this is actually one of my demo products that I have ordered. And you're curious to know what it is. So this is a True Love at First Lash Mascara. And if the color you see, it's kind of along the lines of this color. So it's especially for Valentine's Day. So stick around. There's going to be a Valentine's Day video. Okay. All right. So we're winding down on some of these products. This is the Avon Defense Soap. I have two customers. I really like it. All right. Here's it. This is another addition to the Defense Soap line. Okay. If you could see that. All right. It's pretty cool. So, I mean, Avon, like I said, has lots more things than ever before. This pretty much wraps up my campaign 1 order. This is a sample that I ordered for one of my customers. It's the Avon Anew Neutralized Anti-Pollution Serum. Okay, so I do love samples. I do order them every now and then. You know, especially if a customer shows interest in a product and I say, you know what, if Avon has a sample, I'd be happy to order it for them. So just again, all these products are going to be in a different video, so for me to open it one by one, so you'll be able to see it individually. So be sure to stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Now, if you're thinking of joining Avon, it is still free to sign up for a limited time only. You can go to my website, AzraBeautyHub.com. You're gonna click on Become an Avon Representative. It takes 5 minutes to really sign up. Just 5 minutes, and it's free, okay? It's free to sign up. You have an option to upgrade to a $30 kit if you choose to. So any which way, even if you're not sure, you have some questions, you still go on my website. There's going to be a contact me form, so you can send me a message and I'll be happy to return your message as soon as I can. All right, thank you again for all your love and support. I truly appreciate it. Stay tuned for more. Have a great day and always keep smiling.